currently running. You can hear it running. So it just goes through there, up onto the deck to the white vent.